It's why didn't they provide some sort of explanation? No one can tell me that in this day and age, anyone within that district attorney's office said, hey, when we file this motion, no one's going to talk about it. I mean, that's garbage. They knew everybody was going to talk about it, and they knew more now than ever, everybody wants transparency. So what they did is they fell back into old habits of hiding the truth, hiding it from the public, so they can try to do whatever they're going to do, and hopefully the public doesn't get upset about them. I'm sorry, but that's bullshit. They need transparency, and they need to have people see this. Listen, this is the problem. This is an exact example of the problem of why we're here today. It's decisions like this by a public lawyer that offends the justice system. And quite honestly, it offends me, and it offends a lot of people in this country. You need transparency. There's no other reason. There's no explanation. There's nothing that they can say to dig them out of this hole or make me think, and for that matter, I bet a lot of other people think that what they're doing is in the best interest of justice. It isn't. And that's what they should be doing. Their job is to uphold the legal system, to make sure that no innocent people go to jail and that the rules of the court are upheld. And to me, what they're doing is the opposite of that.
You know, Byron, the one thing that I can't think of.
There is no explanation. This is a defense motion that they're filing, you know? And again, the AG is an elected official. He's a former member of Congress. This is the type of thing that gets people voted out of office. So the prosecution should never, ever, ever be denying the public access to the courtroom, period. This is something that defense attorneys do to protect their guilty clients.
You know, the one thing, as we're talking about it, I'm trying to think of what could be the reason. And the only thing that I can think of is that they don't want to undergo the criticism that is probably due, but they want to protect their own image. And sometimes that is the problem of why prosecution has gotten so criticized and been under the gun, is because they're more concerned about their image than the degree of justice that they're serving people. And hopefully we're moving away from that type of thing. And I hope that this gets exposed, changed, and definitely the judge maintains the court's position on this to make certain that the public gets full access to every single day, every bit of testimony that reaches until we reach a verdict.
All right, we agree. It's unanimous. It's unanimous.